The topic for today is algebraic manipulation. The value of a fraction remains unchanged if both the numerator and denominator of a fraction is multiplied or divided by the same number, same non-zero number or expression. I shall start with the simplest possible question. This is 8a square bc cube divided by 48 a cube b square c. 8 1 times 8 8 6 times 48. Now you can see that a has power 3 in the denominator, power 2 in the numerator. So my answer, my positive value of a will be in the denominator as it is more. 3 minus 2 a power 1 or a is here. Similarly b power 2 is here, b power 1 is there, so b power 2 minus 1 is here, and c is more in numerator, so c power 3 minus 1 2 is in the numerator. This is the answer. I will repeat my method. First of all, cancel constant with the constant. 8 1 times 8, 8 6 times 48. Now compare the powers of a. Where there is more power, answer or the value of a, the variable will stay there. Here this is 3. So basically we are cancelling 2 a's from these 3 a's and 1 a is left, and the left one will be in the denominator. Similarly here there is single b, there are 2 b's, so 1 b will be cancelled, 1 will stay but it will also stay in the denominator, and there are 3 c's, 1 c, 2 c's will left in the numerator. Usually what people do, they write it like this. Write a's like this, 3 times here, 1 b is here, 2 b is here, and 3 c's here, and 1 c here. So they cancel it like 1 2, 2 2's, 3 2's cancel. What is left? 6. Right? 1a, 2a cancelled, only 1a left. 1b cancelled, 1b in the denominator left, 1c cancelled, 2 c's left. So instead of doing such a long calculations, we subtract the smaller power from the bigger. Here a3, 3 minus 2, a1, b2 minus 1, 1, c3 minus 2, c2. I shall do 1 or 2 more examples for you. So instead of doing such long calculations and expanding and then cancelling, we can easily do the cancellation. Like in 15's table, 15 5 times 75. 75 is in the denominator, so your 5 will be in the denominator. Where there are more a's, here there is 2 a's, 1 a, so 2 minus 1, 1 a is here. There is no b here, so b power 3 is here. There is thrice c here, 1 c here, so c power 2 is here, and this is the answer. Come here. 3 4 times 12. There is no need to write here 1 1 and then 4. M, there is 2, there are 2 m's in the numerator, 1 in the denominator, so 2 minus 1, 1 m is here. There are 1 n in the numerator, 3 in the denominator, so n power 2, 2 will be left in the denominator, and p power 2 will be left in the numerator. Simple addition and subtraction of the powers. Same base, then the power will be added or subtracted. If both the variables are in the numerator or both are in denominator, then you will add the power. If they are one in the numerator and one in the denominator, then you will subtract the power. This is the power rules of index. Okay, before doing more questions, I am going to discuss or revise with you laws of indices. If we have am and we have an, if they have same base, their power will be added. If they are having the relationship of division, or one is in the numerator and the other is in the denominator, if there is same base, their power will be subtracted. If we have a power m and there is another power, then power will be multiplied with the power, and if they are with different base but they have same power, then we will write it a cross b power m. And same rule is for division. If we have there is a division sign, then we will divide it. So we are going to use these rules. I repeat that if we have the same base and different powers, but if we have to multiply, we will add their power. If we have to divide with the same base but different powers, we have to subtract. If there is a number with some index and there is another power outside, then both powers will be multiplied with each other. And if there is a different base but same power, then if we are going to multiply, we can write the power outside, and if we have to divide, we can write the power outside. We can do a few examples with this, like if you have 2 power 3 and 2 power 2, same base, your power will be added. You will have 2 power 5. How it is? 2 power 3 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, and 2 power 2 is 2 multiply 2. Then you have total 2 power 5, or you have 5 2's. Similarly, if you have 2 power 3 in the numerator and 2 power 2 in the denominator, which we were doing in the question, you have 2 power 3 in the numerator and 2 power 2 in the denominator. Instead of cancelling, you can have 2 power 3 minus 2, and the answer will be 2 power 1. And if you have 2 power 3 and power 2, you can have 2 power 6. 3 2 times means 2 power 3 2 times, and you will have 3 plus 3 6. And if you have 2 power 3 cross 3 power 3, you can have it like this: 2 power 3 2 cross 3 power 3, 3 to the 6 power 3, 36 multiply 6, 216. And if we take 2 power 3, that is 8, and 3 power 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. When you will multiply 27 with 8, you will have again 216. Similarly, you can divide 2 power 3 with 3 power 3, and you can write it as 2 over 3 raised to power 3. So we are going to use the laws of indices in few more examples when we are doing algebraic manipulation. I have 9m square n over 15 m cube p square multiplied with 21 m power 3 over 10 n p cube. Okay, first of all, we will consider or cancel our constant terms. We can cancel one numerator with one denominator in one time. So this is 21 3 7 times, and 15 3 5 times. We have to multiply 9 with 7, it will be 63, and 5 with 10 is 50. Now we come to our variables. The first variable is m. There are m square and m cube. I will write it, I shall add them. Base same m and powers will be added 5, and here there is only 1 m cube, so it will be here. Come to n, there is only 1 n here, 1 n there. Okay, and there are no p's in the numerator, but total p power 3 and 2 5 here. So when we shall give the final answer, we shall have 63 over 50 along with m power 2 in the numerator. There will be no n, and p power 5 in the denominator. The next example, there is a division sign. I shall convert this division sign into multiplication, and I shall flip the next fraction. It will be multiply. 8b cube will be now our numerator, and c cube will be denominator. While cancelling the constants, 2 1 times 2, 2 4 times 8, 4 and 5 both cannot cancel 9, so we are now towards our final answer. 4 5s are times 20. There is 1a and 1a. There are two a's, a square, b cube, and c cube. I think this is our numerator. And when we are going towards the denominator, there is 9 with 2 b's, b square and c cube. Okay, when we are going to simplify our answer, this is 20 over 9. There are two a's in the numerator and there is no a in the denominator, so a square will be in the numerator. There are three b's in the numerator, two b's in the denominator, so 3 minus 2, 1 b in the numerator. And there are equal number of c's, so there will be no c in the answer. One more example, division sign after the first fraction. So we shall convert it into multiplication and we shall flip the next number, this number, and we shall not disturb, we shall not change the places of this number. We will take the reciprocal of 4abc over 3ad. It will become 3ad over 4abc, and 14d square over 7bc will remain same. Okay, we can cancel this 3 with 3 and we can cancel this 7 with 14. 7 2 times 14. Notice we can cancel one numerator with one denominator in one step or at one time. 4 1 times 4, 4 3 times 12. It may be here and there, it may be here and there, it may be between any one numerator along with one denominator. So finally we have all these three denominators equals to 1. 7 2 times 14, 4 3 times 12, and 3 1 times 3, 3 1 times 3. So total we have 3 multiplied 2, 6 left in the numerator and 1 left in the denominator. There is no need to write 1 in the denominator. There are 3 a's here, a3 plus a1, a4, a power 4. Both a's are in the numerator, so we have to add the powers as the base is same. There is only single b in the numerator. There is no c in the numerator. There are total 3 d's in the numerator. And when we go to the denominator, 1a and 1a, a power 2, 2 b's and 1 b, 3 and 1 4, b power 4 and c power 2. So when we shall find the final answer after simplification, a power 4, a power 2, we have 2 a's in the numerator, b4 is there, b1 is there, b power 3 is here, c power 2 and d power 3. This is the final answer. We have answer after simplification. We cannot do any more simplification now. So this is the final answer. Another example. First of all, we have to convert the division sign into multiplication. Take the reciprocal of the next fraction. And now we are ready first to simplify the constant values, coefficients. 5 1 times 5, 5 2 times 10, 3 1 times 3, 3 3 times 9, 5 with 10, one numerator with one denominator, 3 with 9, and 3 times 2 4 times 8, 2 3 times 6. Okay, there is still one cancellation, two cancellations left. We shall do it in the next step to avoid the mistake. Now we have 3 2 times 6, ones are 6 over 4 3 times 12. Definitely this is finally we will have 2 only. X power 2, there is no other x. Y power 3 and y power 2, total y 5, 3 plus 2 5. A power 2 should be written first as A is first in alphabets, and then we have z power 3 and 1 4. Along with this z square, x1, there is no a, y power 2 and z power 2. Final answer will be 6 1 times 6, 6 2 times 12. So there is no need to write 1, 2 in the denominator. There is single x, this is x power 2. Okay, and there is a single x here. So x power 1 here, y power 3 in the numerator. Again, y is more in numerator, x is more in numerator. A is in the numerator. I shall write a in the start. And z power 4, z power 2. So z power 2 is left in the numerator. and this is the final answer. I shall make this 2y as 2y over 1 to make it a fraction. Division sign into multiplication. 5xy over 4y multiply 64xy over 100x square y cube. Here I can cancel this 4 with 64, 16. Then I can cancel this 5 with 100, 20. I can also cancel this 2 with 20. It will be 10. Now we can write it as 16 over 10. How many x in the numerator? Single x and single x. X power 2, y power 3. In the denominator, there are total x power 2, y power 4. 16 and 10, they will be cancelled on 2. 2 8s are 16 and 2 5 times 10. X power 2, both same. We will cancel x with x, or 2 minus 2, x power 0. 0 means nothing. Y power 1 in the denominator. As there are 3 y's in the numerator, 4 in the denominator, so 8 over 5y will be the final answer. Change it. 27u over 8u cube v square. This one will remain as it is. Cancel 3 times 9. Okay. 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times 6, 2 8 times 16, and now we have nothing left. 27 and 64. 27 over 8, 8 times 64. How many u's? 1, 2, u square, 1, 2, v square over 8, u cube and u square, u5 and v5. Subtract 27 over 64 will remain as it is. U power 3 in the denominator, v power 3 in the denominator. There is no variable left in the numerator, as the power of variable in the numerator was less than the denominator. This is the final answer.